is back. She is back. She is back. She is back, and she is swinging, honey. I know you guys have missed me because I have missed you. I've gotten so many DMs, guys. I'm doing so much better. A lot of you guys have been checking up on me. As you know, the last time you saw me, I was getting 2 injections in my ass to calm my allergic reaction, and that reaction took me 5 days to get over. I had to be on medication for 5 days. The medication had me very drowsy. I was not up to it. I had to take in total 8, 9, 10, 11 pills per day, and 3 of those pills, which I had to take morning, afternoon and night, made me very drowsy. So just imagine the week I had. I felt drunk all throughout last week. I never really have the energy to vlog. I really tried to, and I was going to, but then a delay happened with Trademan. I'm gonna tell you something about Trademan and Taximan are the weapons we farm against we in this lifetime. Because why them so lie? Like, me know say all man get the gene for lie, but Trademan and Taximan lie at a different level. The couch is finally done. Praise be, glory be to God, but it just done this morning. The man told us it would take 1 day. It took 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So, what we're going to do now is Christmas cleaning, and it feels very rushed. It feels very last minute. Like, Christmas is basically next week, and the place not clean. The place is a mess. Like, my room, my goal was to clean before my birthday, and that did not happen because of the living room. Like, I would feel good to clean my room, and the living room was a hot ass mess. But I don't know, so the living room did look, I feel like I talk like 100 miles per hour right now. Anyways, we're going to clean the living room. We're going to clean my room. So this is a cleaning vlog. Yeah. But right now we're going on the road because I'm gonna go to my shipping company. Not for me, for mommy. Something is supposed to be there for me as well, but oh, I got my retainer fixed. After the retainer fixed, my face come down like immediately. Like, it was almost instant. And I don't blame it 100% just because it can be one of 2 things. So I'm not gonna say I'm a retainer wholeheartedly cause a reaction, but we're still unsure. We don't know. But I'm going to look into getting an EpiPen because that reaction was scary. It was a little bit scary, not gonna lie. Like, But we are back. I wanna prepare for the Christmas. All the preparations are come along. Tell me, talk to me, let me know down below. When I start on the Christmas cleaning, on the Christmas. Also, there's this box that I want to do. Like, I'm a very sentimental girl. Like, I've had a box like this before, but I lost it when I moved here. I used to put like little things in there. If anybody give me a gift and I have a card, I would store it. Any Polaroid pictures, I would put it in there. So I have one that I've been saving up stuff for from the year start. I'm going to be making that box, and so I should probably stop and get some like wrapping paper and stuff, because the tour brush box I use, I'm not a box. And it's going to be labeled 2024, and when you open it, it's going to have all the little things from this year that are very memorable to me. It's gonna have my hair in there and all of that. My hair when I cut off in the summer, so yeah, I'm in a good mood. Can you tell I've been talking? So we're gonna go on the road now. I know traffic got be bad because we're leaving 2 hours later than I anticipated. Not my fault. But yeah, let's go take on the road. I'm going to show you guys the Christmas rush. Let's go. Just a little sneak peek into what y'all should expect next week moving forward. We are back home. Quick side note, the sewing time expire. I'm going to actually take it out tomorrow because I have a hair appointment on Tuesday and tomorrow is Sunday. But Guinness invited me to watch a football match in the morning, so I'm going to wear it out one last time tomorrow, and then I'm going to take it out tomorrow. Wash me hair Monday, blow dry it, and ready for my appointment Tuesday afternoon. But I want to know if I'm the only one that's obsessed with this lady on TikTok. Like, when I say this, if you don't know, no. Dish up dinner with me. Today we're having an absolute favorite, chicken curry. And when she done, she said, that's dinner, bish, bash, bosh. If anybody else hooked on that woman on the TikTok, them like I am, let me know down in the comment section below, because I don't know half of the food them which I eat, but I cannot skip one of the video them. Once me eat a dish up dinner with me, I have to stay. But It's full time for we start clean. We kind of procrastinate, not gonna lie. It's like 3 o'clock right now. And we're just being lazy. But we're gonna get to it in short order. Yeah, I know I look crazy, but yeah. And I have to clean my room as well. So, dish up dinner with me. Who is that on my television screen? That's my sister. If you don't know what our vlog must wanna do. Remember Samina posts every day, she posts every day. So you better go over there and go check. I ends my combo down in the house. I lie, I joke. I joke, guys. You, that's why I must say so. Not with the... Anyways, so we're going to be cleaning in here. This is like this is not a before because the couch. But I'm going to be showing you guys a before when we're done. Like when we're done, fix up everything. So we're gonna take down the curtains, we're gonna strip down the entertainment center, we're gonna move the mirror, and then the man will do the couch nasty up in here real bad. So we have to go, you know? Yeah. So we're not gonna get a time lapse, I think. Wow, I look crazy, but the living room is done. It's like 7, little bit after 7. We started like 3:30, around 3:30. That's also not bad at all. My room, I wanted to do it tonight, but honestly my feet are hurting me. So I'm just gonna bed, put on my Christmas pajama, put on a Christmas movie in the living room, and have pizza. That's what we're having for dinner today. So yeah, that's it for tonight. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and go to the football match, and I don't know anything about football match. And then when I come home, I'm gonna clean my room, and then after I clean my room, I'm gonna edit this vlog. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys what I'm cleaning my room, just because it's a whole heap of work man for doing here. Like one bag of cockroaches just all over the place, and yeah. So I will catch you now in the morning when we're going to the football match. Or should I show you guys when my bed and put on? I think I should show you guys when my bed. Hold on. Good morning, Jam World. It's 10 o'clock on the dot. The time that they said the event start. But I Google the match and I Google the match. I tell you I go watch a football match. I don't know about football no. I was told that I should support the blue one. Which one is the blue one again? Wait, give me a second. The two man them a play Manchester United and Manchester City. Right, so I'm supposed to support Manchester City. I don't know about football. So I'm put on one look at them name and then him action. I didn't sleep last night. So you know, yeah. Reasons beyond my control, guys. I tried to sleep, I just could not. Some of them look at face. The ear the panic last. The panic last right now. When I come home, I gotta take it out. I'm gonna eat one little slice of pizza here. And then I come go down there. I come go down and Traction and Catch. Watch a football match. Did I actually finish? I thought just now the match start 11:30, so that's why I'm not kill up myself for reach pan time, because I go reach 10 o'clock and I go by myself, so I go sit down and drink Guinness at 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm not telling you that Guinness alone could have given me for this, because the amount of time when I say I'm not about to go, I'm still on a go. Guinness alone could have given me that. I'm not telling you that. Because I rate them as a brand. I rate them, so I eat my piece of pizza and go. I'll see y'all when I'm at the football match. It's a football match at Makeover Stadium. I go watch it in a Chuck Records. Yeah? Yeah. I'm starting to believe that I do actually have social anxiety because there's no way I intentionally put myself in these situations and then say, me shy. That's not true. I'm not gonna lie. If I was not so tired, I would have stayed for the entire match. Because you know, the energy is kind of like, even if I don't really know what I'm going, which I don't really know what I'm going, but you know, I just want to kick ball, so like there's nothing much to it. You kind of get another, you know, yeah. Cause I remember say I blew my people them say my for represent, so I represent for the blue people, and the blue people them must score, so me I say yeah, but at the same time me I yarn down the place. And people them look for me and show me what I say like I know me can't yarn, so I'm not going so bad. So I'm gonna leave at halftime. Really wish I could stay, but at the end of the day I have a goal and I'm gonna stick to it. I have to clean my room today. By tonight I have to sleep in a clean room and I have to catch a nap before I do that. So if I go to all of that, it's not 12:33. I have to go home. Where's my phone? So I go tell me like a time I'm going because I'm tired for real. Like when I say I'm gonna sleep, I try to go sleep for 1 hour and then I just could not go to sleep. So yeah, let's go home. So it is Monday. It is the day that you guys are watching this video if you're watching it on Monday. And I mashed up myself last night because I did determine to have to clean the room. So I done clean the room. Now I only have 1 foot because one of my ankles are swollen and my body just beat out. I did get to sleep last night. Super grateful for that. Not well rested, but you know we have some energy in the tank. I could take out the hair as you can see, and I cut out some of my hair, you know. But you know, that's how it goes. It's in the game. Of yeah. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna start edit the vlog, and I'm also gonna start the next one here because I'm going to be giving you guys a makeup vlog for Wednesday. Remember I told you guys on Instagram that because I never post on Friday, I'm going to try and squeeze in. I'm going to actually do it. So I'm going to start the next vlog here. So bye, toodles, see you know on Wednesday.